Notion iWorkspace app. The pros, the cons. Notion iWorkspace app is transforming how teams organize work, but most people get this wrong. It's not just a note-taking app. The surprising truth is that it combines project management, documentation, and AI-assisted workflows all in one place. One major pro is its AI integration. Notion AI can help you draft content, summarize notes, generate task lists, and even brainstorm ideas. It's like having a personal assistant that helps reduce repetitive work. Combined with Notion's flexible workspace, you can create dashboards, wikis, and project boards tailored to your team's needs. Another advantage is its versatility. Whether you're managing projects, writing meeting notes, or tracking personal goals, Notion adapts easily. Its database system allows for custom views, filters, and relations, giving you total control over how information is organized. Collaboration is seamless too, with real-time editing and comments. However, there are cons. New users can feel overwhelmed by the app's complexity and endless customization options. AI features require a subscription, and sometimes the AI suggestions aren't perfectly accurate or context-aware. Performance can slow down with very large workspaces, which may be frustrating for heavy users. In conclusion, Notion iWorkspace app is a powerful tool for individuals and teams looking to combine project management with AI assistance. While it has a learning curve and some limitations, the ability to centralize tasks, documentation, and AI-driven productivity makes it a standout workspace solution. For anyone willing to invest time in setup, it can dramatically streamline workflows and boost efficiency.